Good morning, everyone. I decided that this morning we'll show you our little brats, our three little pets, running around, playing in the yard. Um, I asked Sarah to be in the video, but she doesn't want to. She said I can be in the video, but I shouldn't show my ugly legs, so I won't show you. Um, so let's see those three little brats, as we call them. Milo, our male puppy. Um, Ginger, our cat, the little kitten, and Puddles, the other little girl puppy. So the three of them, we call them the three rascals as well, the three brats. Yes, yes, that's Milo. Milo, come on, come on. Come on, come on. I'm not gonna lock you up inside. Come here, come here, come here, come here. And this is who? Puddles. Why? Because you make puddles everywhere. Puddles and Milo. And where's our Ginger? Ginger. Yeah. We finally let you out of the house. We finally let you out of the house. The three rascals. She's having fun. Yes, Ginger? Okay, this is the kennel. Our lovely garden. And they're traumatizing the poor cat again. They play rough, and she plays rough too. Yeah, so I finally decided that I'm going to make a little video of these three little brats. That's what we call them, the little monsters, actually speaking, playing around in our garden. I think Ginger, our little kitty, is maybe like 2 months old, and these little puppies are maybe like 8-9 weeks old, full of energy. Their job is to traumatize, isn't it? Isn't it? Your job is to traumatize the cat, isn't Milo? You want my feet? No. You want my feet? Yeah. And where's Ginger? Sitting and nibbling on the grass. You're not a cow, you're a little cat. You're a little cat. And you guys are jealous now. No. Thankfully, they all learned to make the mess out of the house. Oh, let me see if I can stamp anything. Nope. Thank God. So they all come up on this section of the yard because it's ideal for them to come and hang out and make their mischief. And here they are blending in. Yes, you could. You are Puddles. Yes, you Puddles. Good. You can make your puddles outside instead of the house inside. Yes. Oh. Now where's Ginger? Is she back on the other side? Yeah, this is a section of our yard where not much grows because it's a shady sort of area. We've been here a few years now, so we still are in the midst of doing some work. and like a little hunter. There she. It's a huge yard for all three of them to play. This little bar is, we don't drink alcohol, so and now they're playing in the shrubs over there. Oops, here they are. Ginger! Where's Ginger? Ginger! Okay, let me see if I can find Ginger. Don't want her to go into the neighbor's yard. Okay, Ginger has finally made her way back. Running around like a little scamp. Hard to even get on the camera. Milo sniffing around as usual. Pulling apart boards that was kept neatly somewhere. Yes, Puddles, you like attention. Yeah, and this is where they get to enjoy themselves. They don't fall into the pool. They've got this instinct to keep away from the pool, which is good. Hope you enjoyed this little snippet of a video with our pets playing outdoors. Cheers! Now look at these two adorable brats wanting to come inside with the puppy dog looks. With your puppy dog looks, look at this one. Your puppy dog look. Oh. They're hoping I'm going to bring them inside, but we're about to leave for work now. So unfortunately y'all going to stay outside. Y'all going to stay outside. You got your kennel to go to. The cat has to come in because the three of you can imagine what mess you're going to make inside when you're all locked up together. Okay.